Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro using application. You have to start by open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have. Now you need to scroll down and you need to Find Earphones. Tap on it, and right here we can play a sound for the left or right earbud, or for both of them. Tap at the best one for you, and now it starts play sound. At the beginning the sound will be quiet, but the longest you cannot find your earbuds, the louder it will be. And when you found it, you need to click again on it to pause the sound. Also, I don't recommend it to put your earbuds to your ears and then play the sound. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!